Just showing you a little bit about what it takes to cut these fascias and sub-fascias out. You know, it's a time-consuming task. And it's a little bit of a dirty job to go with it, so save yourself some money and get the right people the first time. Make sure the gutters are functioning, flashing is installed properly. Using people who care about what they do. And this will save a lot of headache. How do you like the dust? Now this is something that typically gets covered up quite a bit, doesn't it, Jeremy? When most people replace fascia board, this is things that, you know, typically you won't see if someone hurries up and puts the fascia back on top of this, but we know it's wrong. We know it's rotted, and we wouldn't have it on our house, nor would we have it on yours. So, you know, it's little things you do. Little things you do that make for the long-lasting longevity of any job. And you get some smiling faces to go with it. That makes all the difference in the world right there, doesn't it, Jamie?
Yes, it
A smile on your face.
Yes, it does. You gotta love what you do for a living.
That's right, and we all do. We all do. We just don't love knocking on your door telling you about this sort of thing. Because believe me, we've got a full plate to begin with, but this is things you just can't cover up. It's got to be fixed. So stay tuned.